Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We are looking now at question number 19 on our 2016 Pascal paper. Chris received a mark of 50% on a recent test. Chris answered 13 of the first 20 questions correctly. So that's a little more than 50%. Good. So he's starting off great. Chris also answered 25% of the remaining questions on the test correctly. If each question on the test was worth 1 mark, how many questions in total were on the test? So, well, we don't know how many questions were remaining. So we might say, let R equal the number that are remaining. So then the total number of questions on the test is the first 20, and then the remaining R. So once we find R, we plug it into this. You don't have to start it off like this. You could say, let T equal the total number of questions, and then you've got 20, and the remaining questions would be T minus 20. That's fine as well. Okay. But what do we know? Well, we know Chris got 50% of the questions right. Let's count the number of questions he got right. So, the number right, he got 13 out of the first 20 questions, and then 25%, or 1/4, of the remaining questions. And it turns out this is going to be 50% of the total questions, because Chris got 50% on the whole test. Well, 50% of the total is 1/4 of the total, and that'll be 20 plus R, as we already said. So if we simplify, we can say 13 plus 1/4 R is a half times 20 is 10, times a half R. If we multiply both sides by 4, we get 52 plus R is equal to 40 plus 2R. Bring the 40 over to this side, we'll get 52 minus 40 is 12, and cancel out an R on both sides. 12 is R, and so what do we want? We want in total 20 plus R, or 20 plus 12, 32 questions. So there's going to be 32 questions on this test. If you want to, you can just do a quick little double check. Half of 32 is 16. 13 plus 1/4 of 12. 1/4 of 12 is 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. So this does all work out. The total number of questions on the test is going to be C. Alright, we've got one more question to go in part B. That'll be question number 20. Feel free to join me for that in the next video. If you want to be kept up to date, feel free to subscribe. If you want to show your support, you can like or leave a comment down below. But either way, I'll see you for more math next time.